Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be doing a flip through of this week's $2 Tuesday collection, which as you can see, we are doing scripts. I know it's only Tuesday, but this week has been super hectic. Yesterday I took about 200 orders to the post office, and then today Lucy is actually flying in from Boston, and then tomorrow, really exciting, we're finally gonna get our nails done again. They are so grown out at this point. It's really just not a good look. But we're also taking our dog to the vet. He has a dental cleaning tomorrow. So that is a little bit nerve-wracking. He does have to be put under for that. So yeah, just a whole lot going on this week. I'm also going to be at Coachella on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so I'm excited for the weekend, but yeah, definitely trying to get as much work done as possible before then, so that is why we don't have a new $2 Tuesday collection, but it's always a great time to, you know, stock up on your foiled scripts, so that is what we have for this week. We will, however, have a new collection that's already planned for next week's $2 Tuesday, so definitely stay tuned for that. It's going to be really exciting, so stay tuned. This week we are doing $2 foiled scripts, so I'm just going to be flipping through all of the scripts that we offer in our shop, and I believe we have about 30 something scripts available this week, and we have them available in our classic 4 foil colors. So I have it here in hollow, but we also have it available in gold, silver, and rose gold, and we currently only have it available in clear glossy, but we might bring clear matte to the shop in the future. So let's go ahead and get into the flip through. So first up is probably one of our best selling scripts. It's our months. These are abbreviated and they have the little curly tail at the end. So it's just January through December. Then we have days of the week, Monday through Sunday, and it comes with 2 sets of weeks. Then we have a part 1 and part 2 of holidays of the year. Next we have, these are a little bit smaller than the months I showed at the beginning. These are spelled out months and they are by quarter. So we have quarter 1, which is January, February, March, April, May, June. We've got quarter 3 and then quarter 4. These are great to stock up on. Then we have Mental Health Day. Try to zoom in so you guys can see it a little bit better. We have Gratitude. And you get so many on each sheet for just $2. We have Day Off. We have Payday. Bill Due. Then we have Dining Out, Boba Friday, which, in case you don't know what this is from, it's like been a tradition for like the past 2 years that we get boba every Friday, so we turned it into a script. Date Night, Memory Plan, Target Run, then we have Binge Watch, and the sticker paper is on a different backing, but they are still the exact same, which is why these look like they're on a white backing and this is more like clear, but the stickers are still the exact same. So buy all the stickers in case you're wondering why they look a little bit different. They are all clear glossy sticker paper. We have Clean House, doctor's appointment, Happy Mail, laundry, we've got lazy day, morning coffee, planning time, RX refill, Starbucks, work, and workout. So those are all the scripts we have available in our shop currently, and they are $2 today until Thursday night. So a great time to stock up on all of your foiled scripts. I did also want to mention that we are offering free US shipping on orders over $40 with the code FREESHIP. And I will leave a link for you to go and check out this script collection. Next week we have something really fun coming to the shop for $2 Tuesday, so definitely stay tuned. And I will see you in Thursday's video for our new releases. Bye!